Well, moving on, a section of the Nairobi County Green Army, a group tasked in cleaning the city, has lamented over the upsurge of littering during protests. According to the group, the tear gas canister shells, stones and remains of burnt tyres remain the main challenge when cleaning the capital city after every protest. Now, the Green Army is a group of youth contracted by the Nairobi County government to keep the city clean. There are about over 100 Green Army workers all across the counties.
Wale wanapanga mgomo kwamba waangalie matokeo ya mgomo haiwezi tokea kwa haraka. Ile mambo yao haiwezi kuwa addressiwa wakienda kwenye mgomo. Wajaribu tu watu wa hustle. Unajua kabla hata sisi tuajiriwe hapa tulikuwa na some grievances. We don't even expect it to come back. Juu imetuharibia kila kitu. Unakuja unatembea pande hii mawe zimejaa, badala uangalie makaratasi ni mawe ziko. Alafu tear gas all over tunafagia tukilia kila wakati. Iko kwa mchanga, unabeba mchanga mpaka huko, lakini hiyo mchanga ukisukuma unasukuma ni kama unalia. Na unakohoa, unasneeze kila kitu. So we request kitu kama hiyo ikifanyika, at least governor aone vile anaweza tusaidia.
Nataka kusema hapa leo, hao si Green Army, na nakataa kabisa, nakashifu hiyo kitu. Hao watu sio Green Army, sisi ndio Green Army. Hao wenye wanasema wanakuja kuandamana tarehe 7 wanajua penye wanatoka. Na ni nani mtu anajua kuna mtu mahali anataka kutuharibia sisi kama Green Army. Kwa sababu sisi hatuna shida yoyote na gavana wetu, kama ni mshahara tunapata at the right time. Kwa nini tuandamane?
Now, the government has been urged to urgently deal with issues affecting people living in urban informal settlements. In a meeting that brought together various non-governmental organizations based in Nairobi and a section of those living in informal settlements, the government was urged to help improve their living standards and help address various issues they face, ranging from poor sanitation, poor housing, and limited access to healthcare, among others.
People living in informal urban settlement have for a long time faced a myriad of challenges, ranging from poor sanitation and the general lack of access to basic amenities. It is at the backdrop of this that various players working with those living in informal settlements in Nairobi County convened for a forum dubbed a Rise Close-Up event to try and find ways of addressing these challenges. The stakeholders presented photo voices as evidence of the hazardous environment in Nairobi's informal settlements.
Kuna yale sita tulipatana nazo, moja yao ilikuwa ni challenge of the drainage, ingine tukapata ni hiyo mambo na stima, tukapata mambo na lishe bora ikiwa chini for most of the families, tukapata kuna wasichana ambayo the heading families walikuwa na issue na maybe na kulikuwa na lot of poverty.
In their research, the Rise Consortium presented photos taken from the areas of Viwandani and Korogocho, which displayed the dire situation residents face.
They were able to identify some children that had been malnourished, and after following them up, they were actually from these households.
The stakeholders, led by LVCT Executive Director Dr. Lilian Mutiso, called for increased investment in infrastructure, healthcare and education to uplift these communities.
They've been able to do training to get those, especially people with disability, in groups, get them to have financial capability training and to link them with available resources.
The teenage pregnancy menace was also highlighted as a major challenge in these areas, with 21% of the reported cases in Nairobi being drawn from the informal urban settlements.
They have a voice, there are things they want to tell us, and that they need support and they need care and they need the health facilities to treat them with respect and not treat them like you silly girl or things like that.
Acknowledging the crucial role played by local administration in addressing these challenges, leaders present pledged to collaborate with all stakeholders in a bid to improve the living conditions of Kenyans living in informal settlements.
Leaders wengine wajaribu pia kila mtu area yake ajaribu kushikilia people with disability, because bila kuwakumbuka hakuna watu wengine wanawakumbuka.